Welcome back to another video of Stories Hub channel. If you haven't subscribed to be part of the Stories Hub community yet, then come and join us and never miss out on any of our latest, freshest uploads as soon as they're available. Now, kick back, relax, and let's dive into today's video topic: what is JavaScript and their main uses and why it is important. JavaScript is a curly-braced, dynamically typed, prototype-based, object-oriented programming language. It started as the programming language for the web and is one of the three layers of standard web technologies, the other two being HTML and CSS. JavaScript allows you to create and control content dynamically on a web page without requiring a page reload. Web browsers are able to interpret it, and when triggered by events, modify the HTML and CSS of a web page with dynamic updates. JavaScript also uses asynchronous calls to fetch data from web services in the background. Although it was initially only used in web browsers, JavaScript engines have since been put to use as servers with Node.js, included in desktop application frameworks like Electron, and embedded in phone frameworks like Apache Cordova. Inception to add simple interactivity to web pages like modals, animated elements, or image slideshows. While that is still one of its primary uses, JavaScript has evolved to building complete web applications. SPAs, or single-page applications, depend on JavaScript-based frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue to bring a desktop-like application experience to the browser. However, it's important to note that web browsers aren't places that make good use of the programming language. JavaScript is also popular for building web services and back-end infrastructure with Node.js. React Native, Xamarin, Ionic, and NativeScript frameworks use JavaScript for developing phone apps as well. JavaScript is the programming language that allows users to interact with the websites that they're visiting, making it a very important language for web developers to know. In the past, most developers focused on the backend. JavaScript was only relevant when they needed to use visual effects. As web development evolved and the focus shifted towards user experience, programmers started to rely on JavaScript for their front-end code heavily. Today, most sites use JavaScript to fetch and submit data, use logic, and generate HTML in browsers. JavaScript can also communicate asynchronously with data servers in the background without interrupting the user interaction in the foreground. These features make JavaScript not only an important language, but a necessary language for modern web development. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about today's video topic: what is JavaScript, their main uses, and why it is important to you. Like and learn anything from it. Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Stories Hub channel for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.